Happy New Year. My name is Jerome Whitmore. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook crispy chicken wings using an air fryer. For all of you who don't know, an air fryer is a healthy way to cook delicious crispy meats. You can cook almost anything in the air fryer. You can cook bacon, sausage, chicken, beef cubes, whatever you want. You can put it in the air fryer and it will make it crispy and a healthy meal for you and your family. I'm seasoning my chicken wings, but I'm not doing anything special. I'm not using any special sauce. I'm putting a little pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Yeah. Using that. A little bit of salt. A little bit of cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, smoked paprika, and a little more pepper. Okay, I'm going to mix the seasonings together. I like to toss the chicken. Get in there. Okay, I'm going to spray it inside the air fryer with non-stick cooking oil. Just a little bit. Place my chicken in the air fryer, but not too many. You don't want to overcrowd it. About 3 or 4 pieces. I'll do it 3. Turn the settings 400 degrees. Let's do 13 minutes for 3 wings. Voila. Okay, this is how the chicken looks after cooking in the air fryer for 13 minutes. It's nice, crispy, and golden, but it's not all dark like it would be if you cooked it in some cooking oil, vegetable oil, canola oil. It has a nice golden crisp. Now I'm going to flip it and cook it on the other side for another 8 minutes, and it should be all good to go. Again, I'm going to put 400 degrees. I'll do about 8 minutes. And it should be good to go. Okay, this is the completed chicken. And just looking at it, see how crispy it is, see how it looks. This 3 chickens are done, and I'm going to continue this process until all the chicken is done. And then I'll show you guys the finished product when it's all done. Okay, now the chicken is all done from the air fryer. It's nice and crispy. I'm going to take a piece. Look at that. Nice and crispy chicken from the air fryer. A little hot sauce. That's good. Nice and crispy, crunchy. Healthy chicken. Be sure you like the video, subscribe, hit the little bell in the middle so you'll be notified, and add a like and a comment. It's another video from the Whitmores. Bye.